Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Are there different paths that one can learn to
No,
love
there is
God?
no difference.
Are there other spiritual paths? Do all spiritual paths lead to the same end?
Spiritual paths are divided into four. Not spiritual, real spiritual, mixed spiritual. Just like this, God give us our daily bread. It is mixed spiritual. One has approached God. God is spiritual, but one is asking for material profit. So this is mixture, matter and spirit. So there are four classes, generally known as karmi, fruitive actors. They work for getting some material profit. They are called karmi. Just like all men in sea, they are working so hard day and night, driving their cars, this way, that way. The purpose is how to get some money. This is called karmi. And then jnani. Jnani means he knows that I am working so hard. Why? The birds, beasts, the elephants, the big 8 million different types of, they have no business. They have no profession. How they are eating? So why unnecessarily I work so much? Let me know what is the problem of life. So they understand the problem of life is birth, death, old age and disease. And they want to solve it. How to become immortal. So they have conclusion that if I merge into God's existence, then I become immortal or immune from birth, death, old age and disease. This is called jnani. And some of them are yogis. They try to acquire some spiritual power to make a show how he can play wonder. A yogi can become very small. If you put him in a room, he'll come out. You lock it, he'll come out. If there is little space, he'll come out. That is called anima. He can fly in the sky, float in the sky. That is called laghima. In this way, if somebody can show this magic, then immediately he is accepted as a very wonderful man. The yogis, the modern yogis, they simply show some gymnastic, but they have no power. So I am not speaking of these third-class yogis. Real yogi means he has got some power, that is material power. So yogis also want this power, and jnanis also want salvation from the unnecessary working like ass, the kurmi. And kurmis want material profit. So they want everyone. But the bhaktas, devotees, they don't want anything. They want to serve God out of love. Just like a mother loves her child, there is no question of profit. Out of affection, she loves. So when you come to that stage, to love God, that is purpose. So these different processes, karmi, jnani, yogi and bhakta, out of these four processes, if you want to know God, then you have to accept this bhakti. That is stated in the Bhagavad-gita. Bhaktya mam abhijanati. Simply through the process of bhakti, one can understand me, God. He never says by other processes, no. Only through bhakti. So if you are interested to know God and love Him, then you have to accept this devotional process. No other process will help you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.